Big update from SuperEX. Guys, you're welcome to today's on this channel. Here is a new benefit from SuperEX. So if you are on this channel for the very first time and you're watching this video, guys, you're very lucky because you're going to enjoy some benefit from SuperEX. SuperEX is a crypto exchange company just like any other crypto you know outside, but guys, this is one of my favorite crypto exchange that has been using over the couple of years, and here is a big chance, guys, to win from this platform. You can see this information was released 3 days ago. What can you get with just one USDT, BTC, iPhone, Tesla, and more? So 50 USDT worth official trading fee coupon to give away to 5 lucky people. So if you know how to trade very well, then you're going to make use of this benefit. There's simple tasks you need to participate on this platform and enjoy it for yourself. Here is what you have to do, guys. You need to follow them on You need to follow SuperEX on X. So just tap on this button, follow them on X, then you have to like, retweet, and tag 3 of your friends, then drop your user ID in this place. That is what I want to help you to do, guys, in this video. If you are new to this platform and you've not created your account, then the process is very simple. I've dropped a link in my Telegram channel as well in the video description. So the link to my Telegram channel is also in this video description, guys. Tap on that link and subscribe to my channel. Before I move on, this video is for educational purpose, guys, not a financial advice video. So tap on the link, create your account, and verify your account. Once your account has been verified, then you are good to go. So all you have to do, guys, to tap on this button, SuperEX button, tap on it to subscribe to SuperEX. To follow them on X. You can see that I am following SuperEX on X. So if you are not following them, then tap on the following button, guys, to follow SuperEX on X. Then you need to like this particular tweet, then retweet and tag 3 of your friends. So let's go and like this. You've liked it now, retweet it, tap on repost. Now you have to tag 3 of your friends, tap on it again, then tap on quotes. Now here you have to tag 3 of your friend by just putting at, then tag your friend. And as you tag 3 of your friend, then scroll down and provide your user ID. So to get your user ID, head over to your SuperEX app. So tap on this profile icon, then tap on it here, copy it, then go back to that twist, then post your user ID here, then tap on post. So that's all, guys. You have been able to complete the task now, so you might be the lucky winner, guys. That is all I have to show you guys in this video.